I'm here to talk about PowerPoint, and I'm also including some of the things with PowerPoint 2016, which constantly evolves. I have this slideshow here. Typically, they would like this narrow screen. If I go to the Design tab, I can change the slide size now. You could have done it before. This is widescreen. Some people like it. It's a personal preference. I'm on the Design tab. You can choose any style that you like. You can browse for themes. You can create your own themes. Again, quick overview. So the one I will use is this one. So we've got that. You can put a subtitle there. It won't show up in the slideshow. We have a few slides that were already done with bullets and stuff like that. What's nice, we have a picture in here, and when this was changed in here, we had Old Saybrook Lighthouse. You would have to resize it. What's nice, when you have these grid lines in here, which is on the View tab, checked off ruler guides here, it'll show you where it's being positioned precisely. You can also move the guides, and let's say you want everything over here, you can do that. I'll just pull it back. I want to talk about adding pictures, a few more things. If I want to add a new slide, I click on the home, new slide, it picks up the style from before. And let's say I want to put in Foxwoods, picture of the casino, insert, picture. It's giving me a thumbnail. You can change the views here. It's a little bit too big. I could pull it in. What it does, this is nice. You get these things in the newer versions here showing you how to lay it out. Let's say I like this slide. I click on that. If I like this, it goes into different ones. Foxwoods. Sometimes it crops. Scroll down. You will find a lot of ways to look at things. If I click on here, that's the original slide. If I go here, not too cool. Let's say we like this. We're going to add another new slide. New slide. I want to put a picture in. Let's say I want to put a picture of Yale University. It's going to give me more tips here. And if I go right here, I can type in Yale University. And you could say underneath here, New Haven, Connecticut. And it brings it in there. It shrinks the text. If I want to just make this line a little bit smaller, or the font I should say, make it 30 point. So I've got that. Next thing I want to talk about, this is a really nice feature. You can copy charts from Excel into here. You can do charts in PowerPoint. Personally, I've always found it awkward. So what I'm going to do, I have a spreadsheet open. I'm going to go over here. I got this chart. And I'm going to talk about the paste link. You can copy and paste. Everybody knows that. So I'm going to do a copy. I'm going to go over here. By linking it, if you change the data or the appearance, it will link back here. I clicked on, I'll do this again. On the Home tab, Paste. I click on drop down out, Paste Special. Paste link. Say OK. I've got the chart. Yes, you can make it bigger. You can also stretch it if you want. Personal preference. I personally wouldn't do that. You could do that. So I've got this here. Now this is the cool thing. I'm just getting that centered. Let's say I go into here. I change the color of the font to, let's say, black. Make it bigger. and I even changed the style of the chart. I'm on Chart Tools here, Design, click over here. I'm going to click off of this, go back here. Usually it shows a change. If it doesn't, you right click inside the chart, Update Link. It shows it there, and of course it will reflect changes in numbers. For example, let's say the coastal in 2013 was 600,000. The chart has changed dramatically. Go back here. It shows it this time. Other thing you could do, you can number your slideshow. I've just clicked on the Home tab here, and if I want to do this insert, header and footer, you can put in the slide number, and you would say don't show untitled slide. People usually don't do that, say apply to all. So you got that there. Go over here, and if I want to see the slideshow, the numbers are very tiny in this corner. If I were to change the style, and I'm going to show this right now, and if I were to go to this, I'm on the first one, and if you do, it can change a lot of things. Double check. You see the numbers down there. Things are working good. The Foxwoods one, you may not like. You may have to redo it. Yale looks okay. And you can do a lot of things with images. I click on the picture, and I'll click on Format. I could put a border around it. I could make it a color. I could use that butterscotch that matches the outside. Click on it. Hover it. I'm still on there. Picture effects. You hover the mouse, it shows a bunch of things. Picture layout, I'm not even going to talk about that. You can resize the picture. If I go to Format, let's say I want it a little bit bigger, a little wider. I want it 7 inches. I click at the far right, type in 7, Enter key, it's bigger, reposition, so it looks tasteful. And this is your introduction to PowerPoint 2016, showing you some of the nice new features. Good luck.